Here we have the function 1 divided by x plus 4, and we want to find the derivative of f of x or f prime of x using the definition of derivative. And before we do that, we have these formulas right here. If we have the fraction a over b plus or minus the fraction c over d, then this we just cross multiply. It'll be a times d plus or minus b times c, and then dividing by the product of the two denominators, b times d. And this is the difference of two squares. A minus b times a plus b is a squared minus b squared. And then also we have the square root of a times the square root of a, then it's a. And now to get the derivative for this function right here, so first let's find f of x plus delta x. So for f of x plus delta x, then in the place of x, we put x plus delta x. So in the place of this x, we have x plus delta x. So this becomes just x plus delta x plus 4. And so here we have limit, and then in the place of f of x delta x, we have 1 over x plus delta x plus 4, and then minus 1 over x plus 4. And then delta x is just delta x. And the next, what we need to do is combine these two expressions right here. So think of this as just like a over b minus c over d. And so we get 1 times x plus 4 minus. So that's 1 times x plus 4, and then 1 times this. And dividing by the product of the two denominators. This would just be x plus 4. And then here we have a minus 1 times x. That's minus x. Minus 1 times delta x would be just minus delta x. And then minus 1 times 4 is just minus 4. X minus x is 0. 4 minus 4 is 0. So the only thing that's left is the minus delta x. And so now we come back over here, then this is the equal. The top becomes this. And in the bottom, we're just dividing by delta x. And then here we get And so here this is dividing by delta x, so we write it as multiplying the reciprocal of delta x, so it'll be 1 over delta x. Dividing by delta x is the same as multiplying by 1 over delta x. Delta x dividing by delta x is 1, and so we get 1, but we have a negative right here, so it'll be negative 1 times 1, which is negative 1. And in the bottom, we have this. And now we let delta x approach 0. Then we get a 0 right here. And this just becomes x plus 4. And so we have x plus 4 times x plus 4, which is x plus 4 squared. And so summary, for the function 1 divided by x plus 4, the derivative is this.